Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to tell you and I'm going to show you how you can fix harmful app block. This app may be harmful. Installing this app may put your device at risk problem. So if you are seeing this harmful app block warning, this usually happens due to security measures on Android devices, especially when trying to install app from sources other than the Google Play Store. So the message may indicate that your device has detected potential risks with the app that you are trying to install. And here are some steps to fix the issue. The first one, you can check for the app source and permissions. So if the app is available on the Play Store, you can just install it directly from there instead. But if you are trying to install from a third-party sources like APK files, ensure they are from a trusted source. And the second one, you need to enable the unknown sources. If you're trying to install APK files from external sources, you can go to the settings and find security in here, and then you can just find the let's just use this one. Let's install unknown apps. You can use that word. Okay, this one you can go to settings app, and here the install unknown apps. You can click on the settings and you need to enable this. So choose the browser or app store where you downloaded the APK file and allow installation from there. For example, I'm going to go with Chrome. Now this one allowed, so you can just make sure it's allowed. And the third one, you can use a trustworthy APK downloader. If the app isn't available on the Google Play Store, you can download the APK file from a trusted source like APK Mirror, the apkmirror.com. And before installing, ensure that the APK file is verified for safety. And the fourth one, you can try to clear the cache and data of Play services. So sometimes corrupted cache or data of Google Play services can trigger the warning. You can again go to settings and here find the apps settings. Here you can just search for Google. Let's search for Google Play services. This one, go to the app info and try to go to the search and cache and clear the cache. And you can also use a third-party app installer such as Aptoid or AppDroid. So these stores host apps that are generally free or of malware and may help bypass the warning. And the sixth one, you can also try to disable the Pray Protect, but if you disable it might allow you to install the apps, but this should be done cautiously because if you disabling the security measure, it could increase the risk of downloading malicious apps. And the last one, you can also do factory reset. So if nothing works, a factory reset might be necessary to remove persistent security restrictions. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.